Once you have your G Suite account, which is provided through your district, you can go in and create a Google Classroom. To get to Google Classroom, you can either log into Google, go to the waffle, click Drive, and then go back to the waffle, and the Classroom app will show up. For whatever reason, you have to go to Drive first. So I click here and it will take me to Classroom, or I can just type in classroom.google.com and it'll take me straight there. Since I'm already logged in, it automatically logs me into the classroom. Once you're in, you'll see all the classes that you either are part of or you own. To create a new classroom, you're going to come up here to the plus sign. Click the plus sign and you're going to click Create Class. So this will be my test class. You do not have to put a section or a subject, but you can if you would like. And then I click Create. It now is creating that course. It will put a background in, however you can change that by clicking Select Theme. They have a gallery of pictures you can choose from. They also have some patterns. And you also have the option to upload your own photo. So if you have a logo, you can upload that as well. So I'm just going to stick with the jelly beans. And as you see, it changed the background. Here is where you would upload your own photo. So now my class is created. There are 3 main tabs. There's the stream. This is where all the announcements and assignments will collect. Students are the folks that are in your class, and the About section is sort of like a bulletin board. It is static. So you can put your classroom information in here. You may put your syllabus. You could also put links or templates that the students would need to use throughout the year. Well, before I do anything, I want to add some students. So I'm going to go to the Students tab, and there are a couple ways you can invite students. You can either give them the class code, which is located here, or you can directly invite them if they are in your contacts. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to say I gave them the class code. You can change the class code to something different, or you can disable it. You may want to disable the class code once all your students are in the course. That way it will avoid any outsiders from joining. Thanks. I hope this was helpful.